Says it all. Not again.
Do you have sandbags?
No, do you?
No. Well, I have some. Do you
Well, the great snowstorm has finally hit. It's starting to pile up out there. They expect 1 to 3 feet in the northern areas, which might get. Snow should continue through tomorrow. Nasty out there.
Neil is drawing a picture of yummy spaghetti. That's what we'll do.
What are you going to do today? Go out and play?
No.
How about you, Andrew?
No way.
You going to go out in the snow?
No.
Why not?
Yes. Picture. Okay. Okay.
Not bad, not bad.
I want to show you other things.
Well, we better hurry up. The tape's running out. That's a nasty looking dinosaur. Talk to you later.
Central Park, we have wind gusts of 47 miles per hour, so we are starting to see these winds start to take off. Let's take a look at our live Doppler radar. And again, as we say, and all that dark green, that's the heavy stuff now getting ready to work its way into our area. Now, here's what we see as the storm track. Again, 6 o'clock, winds are going to be out of the northeast, about 40 to 70 miles per hour, coastal flooding, hurricane gust winds. And then by 10 tonight, the storm's still working its way up the coast. We could, in fact, see and hear some thunderstorms possible at times.
Outside the center of this low pressure, and we're well to the north of it. Now, tomorrow, we expect this low to be moving in a direction that will put it right, probably passing over Montauk. Now, with that idea, we think that the changeover will be limited around here to ice, rain, snow, not expecting it to really drop the totals very much at all. The changeover will probably be an hour, maybe 2 if we're lucky, to ice mostly, but maybe a little rain toward the island. And just on the South New Jersey coastline, you could see a more wet consistency to what's falling to stay all as snow during the entire period. Now, we've shown you these totals, and again, we're expecting 12 inches of snow in town before any kind of icy changeover, and we've already seen about 6.5 inches in Central Park, 10 inches of snow on the north shore of Staten Island. Also, Fairfield County in Connecticut reporting about 6.5 inches of snow, and north and west of the city, Sussex County, New Jersey, reporting anywhere from 7 to 10.5 inches of snow at this point already. Now, the other problem we've got to talk about, the coastal hazard, certainly the time
outside, pile of roads.
This low, the low by high times early in the morning could be practically right on top of us, and we've explained to you that the power of this system is so enormous.
It's nasty.
What it's likely to do to our coastlines when it's right here on top of us is something that we just haven't seen here yet. So sound waves are right now 10 to 15 feet above normal or within the next 4 or 5 hours, and ocean
That boys.
also moving up towards
I think I'll shovel my walk after it ends. Snowdrift will probably fill it in again. I see a lot of people out there shoveling now. Mike shoveled about an hour ago and it's filled up already. Tad bit of snow. Let's look at another 15 hours of snowing. Ouch. To hide under that table. See you later. 2:30 in the afternoon now, and it's picking up. You can see the difference in the snow. Just a little windier out. Jeez. They expect wind gusts up to 60, 70 miles an hour by 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Big storm. We're sick of snow. Look at the front yard here now. It's out in the snow. My park bench is buried now. Boy, I hate to be the guy who has to shovel that out.
Call, please hang up and try your call again. If you need help, please consult your directory.
Emergency just declared by Town of Oracle Supervisor Bill Cummings. Do not go out, do not leave. He also gave phone numbers. This is a real blizzard. He cut into the TV station, and you will not get any TV on any channels. Matter of fact, he's got the phone lines tied up. It's shot. Look outside.
Situation with the Triborough Bridge, Whitestone Bridge, Throgs Neck Bridge open to cars
I'm
only.
staying
We now have
inside.
reports of sustained winds at the Whitestone and the Throgs Neck of 70 miles per hour.
We have a state of emergency in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. A live picture now of Islip, Long Island being battered. The National Guard is helping out with some evacuation efforts, trying to clear up the roads and many other areas. Now we're told there are power outages. Many shelters are also open to help people.
Where we're at, well, the storm is still yet to reach us, at least the eye, because it is still well to the south of us.